So we're here at the TWA Hotel. So back in the 60s, Rachel found old-fashioned payphone. She's going to try to make a call. I wonder if you have to actually put in 10 cents. Let's see. So how do you call? She's going to call my number. I haven't told her anything.
So,
Just call external. You have to dial 1 and then my phone number. I was hoping something like this would happen.
it's harder than it looks.
Apparently.
It's a 0.
What's my phone number? Yeah. Remember, it says you have to dial 1-801. You have to do the 1 first.
Oh, get it.
I honestly did not think you would have trouble. I thought you'd know how to use it.
But how do I get the 0? Because I can't, like... See? Do I have to go all the way? Oh.
No.
Can I shoot all the way?
I don't know. Try to call me.
Oh no, I messed up. But that works. Round 4. It's like, I'm sorry.
I should have done. Oh, it's saying that? Oh, okay. So wait, what are you doing? Explain what you're doing.
9? How did I get the 9? What?
Wait, tell me what you're trying to do. Like, what is your thought process? Like, if you want to dial the 8.
Yeah, I'm gonna
So,
go to the 8. Go. Is that wrong?
I honestly did not expect this from you. This is like those. Oh my gosh! I'm posting this on Facebook.
No. No one else needs to
Oh,
see.
everybody's gonna see this. Okay, try again. Let's just.
I don't know why I'm in.
Okay, so remember, you have to dial 1 and then my phone number.
Oh. 1, 4, 9. It's just beeping at me. This is so embarrassing.
Oh, this has made my day.
Oh man. At least
Well-
I didn't even know how to use a typewriter. Wow.
She got to play with the typewriter earlier.
Just tell me.
Okay, you're doing it wrong. I'll just say that.
I thought I was right.
Nope, you're doing it wrong. I'll just say that. Yes.
Oh, I go to the 1?
Okay, so let's dial the 1 first. That's wrong.
What? How is that wrong? What else am I supposed to do?
I don't know. Use your brain. Think about it.
Go all the way?
Would that dial a 1, do you think?
I don't know anymore.
Well, look at it. Look at it. Work it out.
Oh. 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 Okay. 1, 8. Oh. 1, 4, 9.
My phone number's now going to be broadcast. La 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 la. Don't say it out loud because
I went so
Why?
far.
Why do you think it was wrong?
Because I did 7 first.
Oh, you did my number wrong.
I literally was 2 numbers away, and now I have to do it all over again.
Because she messed up a
So
number.
frustrating.
Try it again. Where is my phone anyway? Oh, I'm using it. Let's see. There was a mom moment right there. Remember, this is what we used to have to do to place a phone call when I was little. La 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 la. I don't want everybody knowing my last number. I'm just gonna do this. Okay.
Can I push it? No. It's not doing anything. Is it supposed to?
I don't know, but that was correct. You finally got it. Here, put in 10 cents. Oh, no, I just got a phone call. Hang on. Hang on.
Oh,
it worked.
It just ended.
Yeah, it worked, though. It just came through. Yeah.
I need to call someone.